There are many wonderful health benefits of garlic, but many of us don't know how to use garlic to recover from various diseases and get the many benefits it offers. Garlic has many powerful natural antibiotics and many wonderful health benefits, but many of us don't know how to take advantage of its many benefits. If you take garlic correctly, as we'll explain in this video, you'll reap many golden health benefits for your body. Before we start, if you're a fan of garlic and its incredible benefits, give this video a thumbs up to let us know you're excited. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our new videos. Now, let's get started. Garlic possesses a remarkable quality as a potent antibiotic that proves effective against a wide range of infections, including bacterial, viral, and fungal ones. What sets garlic apart is its unique ability to address all three types of microorganisms comprehensively. Unlike conventional antibiotics, which tend to specialize in tackling either bacterial, fungal, or viral infections, garlic stands out for its versatility. It can confront these various types of infections with remarkable strength and efficacy simultaneously. This exceptional characteristic underscores the valuable role garlic can play in combating a diverse array of health challenges caused by these microorganisms. When it comes to reaping the maximum health benefits from garlic, it's important to consider the best ways to incorporate it into your diet. Garlic boasts a compound called allicin, responsible for its characteristic flavor and scent. Allicin is packed with sulfur, which is associated with numerous health advantages. However, studies have demonstrated that cooking garlic can significantly reduce the allicin content as well as the levels of other active compounds within it. Consequently, this diminishes the overall nutritional value of garlic. To ensure you get the most out of this potent ingredient, we'll share the two top methods for consuming raw garlic, enabling you to harness its full nutritional potential and enjoy its myriad health benefits. To take advantage of the health benefits of garlic, one common method is to ingest a whole garlic clove. Ideally, this should be done on an empty stomach, and it's worth noting that garlic doesn't have a negative impact on the stomach in this scenario. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who experience stomach pain or acidity. When you swallow the garlic clove, it remains intact until it reaches the intestines, which are naturally alkaline. It's in this alkaline environment that garlic begins to break down and release its active components, especially a powerful compound called allicin. This is where the magic happens. Allicin acts as an antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal agent. Additionally, it serves as an anti-worm treatment, making it beneficial for those dealing with intestinal worm problems at various stages and individuals with colon infections. Garlic's effectiveness in this regard makes it a valuable natural remedy for a range of gastrointestinal issues. Numerous studies have provided compelling evidence highlighting garlic's remarkable health benefits. Among its many virtues, garlic has demonstrated its capacity to reduce inflammation and function as a potent antioxidant. In doing so, it effectively enhances the role of cortisone, a hormone renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Additionally, allicin, a key component in garlic, has been found to play a pivotal role in bolstering the immune system's function. Moreover, it contributes to the reduction of harmful cholesterol levels, further underscoring garlic's multifaceted positive impact on overall health. Another aspect to consider is the way garlic affects us when we consume it in mashed or chewed form. So, what happens when you bite into or crush garlic? Well, the first thing you'll notice is the strong garlic smell that comes with it. This happens because of the breakdown of allicin, which is also when some of its beneficial properties start to diminish. However, there's good news. Mashed or chewed garlic releases a bunch of organic sulfur compounds and antioxidants. These little heroes are associated with promoting better blood circulation and a healthier heart. They also play a role in regulating cholesterol levels and lowering triglycerides, making garlic quite the champion for your cardiovascular health. To maximize the health benefits of garlic, it's important to consider how we consume it. If we simply swallow whole garlic cloves, we might miss out on its full potential when it comes to supporting heart health. improving artery function, and aiding in fat burning. However, as we've already discussed, garlic offers a range of other fantastic benefits. When we crush or chew garlic, it releases numerous sulfur compounds and antioxidants. These active elements promote better blood circulation and heart health, help reduce triglyceride levels, and even assist in detoxifying the liver by reducing fat buildup. So, while there are different ways to enjoy garlic, it's worth knowing that each method can offer a unique set of health advantages. Mashed garlic offers a unique benefit by helping burn away excess fat that can build up on our vital organs, particularly the liver. To harness the full potential of garlic for our health, it's advisable to adopt a two-pronged approach. First, kickstart your day by swallowing a whole garlic clove on an empty stomach in the morning. Then incorporate mashed or chopped garlic into your lunch, making sure to consume it along with your meal. It's a good idea to accompany your garlic intake with plenty of water. This combined strategy enables us to reap the multitude of health advantages that garlic has to offer, forming a comprehensive and effective approach to better health and well-being. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you never miss a video. And be sure to check out our other videos.